In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add personalization tokens to a template or snippet in Hubspot. Personalization tokens let you pull in data from your CRM, like a contact's first name or company, so your emails and snippets feel tailored without manual typing. Used well, they can boost open rates and replies, especially in subject lines and short snippets your team reuses. Start by opening HubSpot in your browser and signing into your account. Make sure you're in the right workspace and that you have permission to edit emails, templates, or snippets. From the main navigation, head to Marketing, then choose Email. This takes you to the email tool where you can manage and edit your existing content. Find the email you want to personalize and click Edit. Inside the editor, click into the email content area so you can work directly with the elements on the page. For this walkthrough, we'll personalize the subject line since it's one of the highest impact places to use tokens. Click the subject line field to activate it. Now click the Personalize option. This opens the personalization panel where you'll choose the kind of data you want to insert. First, choose the type. This tells HubSpot what object to pull data from, such as contact, company, deal, or ticket. For most outreach, contact is the go-to, but choose the type that matches the data you intend to use. Next, select the specific token. For example, you might choose first name, company name, or any property that's reliably populated in your database. It's important to pick fields that your records actually have, otherwise your message can look incomplete. Before inserting, enter a fallback value. This is the text HubSpot will use if the chosen property is blank for a recipient. Keep it natural and on brand. For a first name token, something like their or friend can work, but match the tone of your email. Watch capitalization and punctuation so your subject line still reads smoothly, whether the token is filled or not. When you're ready, click Insert. You'll see the token appear in the subject line, typically inside brackets, indicating HubSpot will replace it at send time. You can repeat the same approach inside the email body, and the process is similar in templates and snippets. Open the content, place your cursor where you want personalization, click Personalize, choose the type and token, add a thoughtful fallback, and insert. That's it. You've added personalization tokens the right way with a clear fallback to keep every send professional and consistent.